Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of Bonanza. With you is Oluwa Korewa. Please, if this content finds you, please like this video for me, share and comment. Let's go straight into the video. Without further ado, but in case the first time you're coming across this channel, don't forget to give engagement or we'll not be able to post. Just like we were not able to post a video for fortune yesterday. If we don't get enough engagement, we're not able to post. But I've been saying that I need 1,000 likes. When I hit 1,000 likes, we push this channel to the next level. I will get over 3,000 views on videos. So it means if everybody just try to like to help us publish another video, it would be nice. Please like this video for me and comment what's your opinion on this plan. The first time is on Ghana Vag at event number 135. 88 played with 80 in winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 75 will play first ball machine. On Bonanza's board at event number 920. 88 played in winning, played with 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 75 will play first ball machine. After 75 maintains first ball machine, the following week 46 will play first ball winning. After 75 in position, 46 would maintain position, first ball winning. Then when 46 plays to position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. Double 5 will play second ball winning. 6 weeks from 46 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. Double 5 to maintain second ball winning. When double 5 maintain second ball winning, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 50 would maintain fourth ball machine. After double 5 plays to position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 to maintain fourth ball machine. After 50 maintain fourth ball machine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks down, 76 to play last ball winning. 6 weeks here. After 50 maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It delayed 1 week extra and played it 7th week. Played it to position. After 76 played to position, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 40 to play first ball winning. After 76 maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 40 to play first ball winning. Second time in Lotto history on Ghana Vag. After 40 maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 50 should move from fourth ball machine to last ball machine. Here as well, after 76 in position, 40 in position, 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 50 will move from fourth ball machine to last ball machine. Now, after 50 had moved to last ball machine from position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single 6 to play in machine. from 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks last week. Single 6 to play to machine. After single 6 plays to machine, single 6 should partner out immediately. It will supply us single 5. 50 move from position in machine to position. 50 should turn, it will supply us single 5. 50 should counter, it will still supply us single 5. To play with 75 in position to counter with it, single 5, 30, leaving this event as my event to watch out for. And if you're picking best 3, single 5, single 2, 30, but it is called 2 direct for a reason. Single 5 and 30 is my 2 direct on this one. So thank you for coming to watch this video. If you find value in this content and you want us to post more videos like this, please like this video, and if you see something I skipped, just put it in the comment section. Until I see you guys again, I wish us good luck.